Hey, thank you guys for the fill, everybody. This is 2526 Light Exclusive Finest Mixer 2-box break. This is one hobby and one delight break. 5 autos total. Guys, we are in a serial filler for the Lakers, the Pelicans, as well as the Blazers and the Spurs. Please remember, guys, if it's non-numbered, we use the last digit of the card set number printed on the back of the card. In the event of a redemption, redemptions will be random to all of the appropriate serial numbers. So if we had a Dylan Harper redemption, a Victor redemption, a LeBron redemption, and it's anything numbered to 10 or more, it is a random to everybody in this serial number. In the event it's a number to 5 auto, we will random between the top 5 spots after. And if in the event it's a 1 of 1, it automatically goes to the 1 of 1 serial spot. If it's one of those teams redemption autos, no random would be needed in the 1 of 1 spot. Good luck, guys. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. And we'll go 6 times. Good luck, guys. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then final. DDC, you got the 1 and 2. Sing in the 3. Fairy in the 4. DDC, you got the 5 and 6. Nehu, you got the 7. DDC, the 8. Nehu, you got the 9, as well as the 0 spot, which is your 10 spot. All right. I'll call it out. I hope we hit something major. That Con Canipo was the start yesterday. That was the start. Let's see a massive SP. Let's see another massive auto. Let's see a big veteran auto or something right here. No time better than right now. You guys got your spots. I believe in beginner's luck. Yes, always. I always encourage. Let's go with hobby. Good luck. Good luck, guys. Thank you for the fill. Oh, should probably show the list. Oil spill of Nemhard. Refractor of McCain. Finishers of VJ Edgecombe. That goes to the 0. And for the Clippers, our first auto is Yannick. For the Clippers, Kim Wang. Kim here on the board and Ray Allen on the rare. Excuse me, on the uncommon. There's a true VJ Edgecombe. I don't know why I said it was for the 10. I was thinking it was Pelicans for some reason. Oil spill is Koulibaly. We have a blue rookie. That will go to the serial. It's Derek Queen for the 5. Excuse me, for the 6. 16 of 99 on the Derek Queen. I believe that was DDC. It was DDC on a blue Derek Queen. There's your first Cooper flag on a base arrivals. Ooh, and on the X Fractors right behind it. Cooper flag base 9 gets this one. For Poppy, the X Fractor would be the standard, which would be C7 Cam. LeBron on the uncommon. The uncommon goes to the 5 spot as well for DDC. We got to hit the colored Cooper flags. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. I hope there's ink over here. Good luck. Good luck. Traore. Oil spill of Renault. We have an orange non-autograph. It's not a rookie. It's 1 of 20. It is Zach LaVine. Zach LaVine on the orange. Uncommon. Kalkbrenner. And a refractor of Penda for the Magic. Carl Anthony Towns behind it. Just taking my time with this, guys. Just enjoying. Igor Sorber. Oil spill of Scoot Henderson. That is a serial that goes to the 9 serial spot for the Blazers. And there's a Young Hansen refractor also for the 6 serial, Hernandez. Muse of Jason Kidd. And we have our last auto. Man, our autos have been tough in hobby so far. It is Capella for the Hawks and the Lazy Barista. Base auto Michael PV behind it for the Pelicans. The PV goes to the 30. So the 0 spot, Nihu gets that one. Purple. X Fractor of Triple J, purple of Bradley Beal to 200. Walter Clayton for the Jazz. There's a nice Igor to 150 for the Nets. I tell you, they should always stay there for Manu. Adu goes to the 5 serial as well. That goes to Hernandez. Reeves on the oil spill for the Lakers. Goes to the 0 spot in Neu. Nemhard to 150. Another Clayton. And behind it is Joe Johnson on the refractor. Clifford, that was kind of a tougher hobby box. My apologies on that one, guys. Not the best hobby box. Color started off good, too. That's always the bonus. The hobby is the bonus. The big stuff comes now. This is where we need the box to be big. Morning.
Good morning.
Oh yeah, she made them. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Number 3 is gonna get added to the store here. I have it in the screen, Skeet. So if you want to go ahead and attack that, it will rip as soon as it's full. Could be in 1 hour, could be in 3 hours, could be in 30 minutes. So when you buy, ooh, we got a lot of oohs coming. Looks like a lot of oohs. But when you buy it in the website, Skeet, especially if you're brand new, you can buy anything on the website. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll show you my Excel sheets that I keep up on screen at all times. And then we'll send you out an email and then we'll rip it. If you're unable to watch the rip live like how we're doing right now, it's always recorded. So you can always come back and rewatch it, no problem. There's LaMelo. Nice Ace Bailey for a little Robert Bass Mojo. What is that? Oh, that looks like a man. That looks like the man. That looks like the man of Kate Cunningham for the Pistons and Chong. Talk about a throwback to the 90s inserts. The man, Kate Cunningham. And the number 1 in the East. Oh, good thing I didn't look. Halliburton on the blue. 75. That looks red to me. To 25, I would have been wrong anyway. Oh, for the Celtics. It's Jaylen Brown. That's sick for the Celtics. See that? Joanna Man. And speaking of Joanna Man, for your Bulls, buddy. Patas. Our first auto is number to 50. Oh, that's pretty sick. I thought it was an auto. I'm sorry. It was a muse of Dwayne Wade. I forgot the insert comes first. 3 of 25 rookie electrifying autographs. Be massive. Again? Oh, I thought that was going to be him. Micah PV 3 of 25. That is a serial spot. And that goes to Sing Balain 3 of 25. Colosso Purple Sacramento. That's our second one. It's a gold. It is Clifford. For the Kings, 37 of 50. And our last auto, I kind of had a peek at it. It is for the Bucks. 15 of 50. It is Tyler Smith. For the Milwaukee Bucks. And Shack Attack. 15 of 50 is how we end it. A Giannis would have been awesome, yes. Couple lower numbered stuff to 20 and 25. Not the best autos, unfortunately, guys. But we always try for you. I was thinking this freaking Wade was an auto, and then as soon as I saw the full picture, I was like, shit, my bad. Recap. Nice Derek Queen. And the man insert of Cade Cunningham. Guys, that was Finest Mixer. Pick your team number 2, guys. Thank you, everybody, very much. And we continue.